Hello, I'm Krishma Patel, the physician assistant at Nona Ophthalmology. Many patients ask me if they can achieve a natural look with Botox and fillers. Yes, you can absolutely achieve a natural look. What you see in television or social media is not necessarily representative of most patients. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Patients do want a certain look, and many of them want a natural result, which portrays graceful aging. Our perspective is to engage patients in a gradual process. This allows patients to be involved in the process and highlight their facial features over time. This gradual process eases some of the financial burden, as well as allowing any changes to look natural rather than sudden or dramatic. This helps many of our patients feel less self-conscious and more self-confident. If you're interested in Botox or fillers, schedule a consultation by calling 407-857-3937 or visit us online at nonaimd.com.